Okay, we're gonna weld some tabs on little blue so we could hold the front
What's this made out of again?
plastic.
Yeah, so this thing's already crazy mounted everywhere. He's got like steel brackets and everything, and he's trying to make everything chassis mounted. He originally had like the rods that come down, mounted 4 different rods. But he wanted the clean look, so now everything's gonna be straight underneath. Won't be able to see it, but it'll be proper, right, Hugo?
Yeah, of course, we do everything proper here.
Yeah, everything.
Proper productions, proper motorsports.
Yeah.
Main thing is welding this bit.
Yeah, right?
Right?
I know.
Alright, good. We're gonna weld this little tab.
Now I know who's behind the camera these days. she's vlogging.
So a little update on the R8. It's almost done. Wrap is finished. Put the little canards on. Eric's been working on the lip and putting down a little spat. And then shop full of exotics, proper bleeder right there. But yeah, this thing's coming together sick. I know I showed you guys the Cerakoted exhaust and all the turbo piping and all that. This is what the rear bumper looks like. Buddha's signature right there. Looks pretty sick. Yeah, a little center exit, and then you got your wastegate dumps. This is the finished product. So this is gonna sit out and be a little bracket for the lip. Oh, he's ready now.
We're ready. I have the sleeves on.
So where are you at right now? You're here.
Right here.
Right here. Oh,
Money,
we needed it.
money.
We needed the extension.
Now, so we're gonna be right here.
Money.
Okay, let me just give us an angle so. It's burning.
So we got the two right here. Got the brackets made right here. Got the holes for them. Used some paint and marked up the, what would you even call this? A splitter?
A front lip.
It's all done. It's not going anywhere. Thanks to George.
Hell yeah.
Brother, you can literally see the cam.
So he's just about to drop
crank.
this motor
The
and
crank.
put a new one in. He said 2 days. I thought that was pretty
1 day.
fast, but
It's almost out.
it's almost
Like
out.
2 more months.
George is done.
Done with it.
Yeah. He's over it. Okay,
It's gonna
Aventador.
finish right here and that's it.
He's good to go. You're done for the day? Done for the week?
Hell no. Go push the
You can put it there.
Nah, you're good, Mike, don't worry.
I'm helping.
Imagine. YouTube channel? Oh yeah, for sure.
I think I was a hit in the last video. I wasn't. It definitely wasn't. I was a hit in the last video. What the That's a f***ing Gucci.
We're on the YouTube. What is he doing? So this is Yash and we about to go do some. I don't know what we're doing, but he's got the 36 M3, a running one. It's a nice day out. So I gotta figure out a way that I could do like POVs. I think that'd be pretty cool. I've seen people like mounted on their head, but I'm honestly kind of tall, so I feel like, I don't know, maybe like a GoPro or something. I know Hugo has one, so I'm gonna ask him if he uses that. But it's the weekend, about to go chill, maybe take a couple pictures. I was really feeling some acai, but they're closed. Also, I don't know what that was. But yeah, we're gonna see. I think I need some washer fluid, so probably gonna do that. So change of plans. What are we supposed to be doing right now? We're supposed to be taking some
side quest. Where's Keon, bro? Keon and Alex
getting raided. I'm behind you, go.
If you say some dumb shit, bro, what the fuck is this? This a trail?
I swear it's a trail. Come on.
Why? What about if you go? Because you know
Okay.
this trail, right?
Bro, is that
You're gonna fall.
what did I say?
Where's the trail at?
The trail.
This is
That's
where
what
the
I
sewer
thought.
goes.
That's what I thought.
What trail, bro?
Wait, we have to go this way.
Can you sponsor us, please?
Don't touch that shit.
What do you mean? Fucking brand new. There was a You see this, guys? Bro. Girl math, bro.
That was the better trail. It was a shortcut. What do you mean? This view's crazy though. Look at those. I don't know what that is. Okay, so new plot of the day. We're gonna get golfing outfits.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna come back. I'm gonna bring my golf cart master key and I'm gonna be gone.
Just gotta...
Are we supposed to go through here?
Oh shit, look at this. That's sick, bro. I daily the
Alright, where are we at, bro?
Bro, you're the one that brought. Where is it at?
Guys, look at this dog. So cute.
That's a size 14 Jordan right there. Look how he looks like a shoe.